Sunday Fun Day, man. Sunday Fun Day. Lowrider Scene Approved channel. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You know I'm coming out here late, but we out here. Look at the Broham. Clean. Need a little TLC. Need a little TLC. But he in the making. Got the 818. 818. 818, y'all. Starting on this end today. Here we go. Y'all see this all the time. Put a little bit brighten out there. South Central East Side. What's up, little what? Man, we outside, man. For another one. Corvette coming through here. Shout out to the 818 out here downtown Los Angeles, low ride, doing what they do. Appreciate y'all, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Likewise. Yeah. Ooh, that slip by me. That's crazy. What we doing, y'all? outside, man. Carlos got it here. Y'all can't see up in there, boy. He high, but it looking good up in there. He don't want y'all to see it. What's up, boy?
What's up with you, man? How you doing today, man?
Good, all good, love one. You already know it.
You already know what it is with me, man. Yeah. Tell me like, comment, and subscribe. They know what to do. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Hey, they missing all the fun for y'all that stayed home watching the game. I came from San Diego to come out here and have fun.
I came out late, but I'm out here. Yeah. What'd you say?
Tell me to watch your live. They'll see everything.
Yeah. Good looking, Marky. Yeah. Man, we gonna move around. Get a little bit here. Get a little bit there. Y'all see what's going on. What's up? What's going on? Stevie D. Look at my boy Stevie D right on the side of it. I'm trying to watch the cars, even. What's up? What's up, huh? We out here. Gotta clean it up a little bit. That's all. Yeah, we got to get back to normal, huh?
Yes, we do.
Sunday, good to see you, loved one.
I ain't liking the way it look right now. Too many cars amongst lowriders. Then we don't want nobody hitting our lowriders. So if you're gonna speed and do donuts, try to do that somewhere else to save yourself some money or your life. That's how I go in Southern California. You hit one of them lowriders.
Yeah.
So,
appreciate you, loved one.
I pray you don't do it.
Don't do it.
I love LA.
Yeah. Somebody got a nice car right here. A little Honda. Oh no, beat up. That ain't my thing, selling cars, but they got them right here. All right, little one. Look at
Back out here, huh? All right, keep up the good work, brother.
Hey, y'all got cars over here for sale. Dulo, what's up? What's up, little one?
Oh, you sometimes me?
Man, what's up, little one? My boy got the Action Comics shirt on.
Come on, yes, sir.
Tell you, we grew up on that stuff. Yeah. Yeah. That's you? For sale? They get it, they see it. They see it. They snatch it. Jaguar right here. You got to give me my cut, but they come. They call you. Yeah, I almost didn't come out, y'all. I just had to come out here Get y'all something. Yeah, I just had to show y'all what it's looking like right now. JB, what's up? I almost didn't come out, but
Oh, it's beautiful out here right now.
yeah.
Beautiful day. We all out here together.
Man, good to be out here.
Out here, keep it clean, keep it peaceful, baby. That's all we about. Peace, love, and happiness. If you ain't with peace, love, and happiness, don't come out here.
Don't come out.
Take your
Appreciate
funky
you.
ass at home where you belong.
Where you belong.
All the drama in your house.
Yeah, don't bring your shit out here.
We out here about safety and peace.
They out here looking good.
Yeah.
Look at this. What's that? Hey, man, I thought that was a person.
Yeah, you got that. That bullshit. That burnout shit.
Yeah.
All right, T, I'm gonna back
All
over
right,
here.
JB.
Love you, brother.
Likewise, I love you too, bro. Thanks. Yeah. I bet you these videos make you dizzy, don't make nobody dizzy, man. You know what I mean? I done upgraded my quality of videos, bro. So, you gonna hate on your boy, hate somewhere else. Hate somewhere else. Right. Waymo don't know where to go. Waymo confused. Yeah. 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 You already know, mama. Yeah. Yeah. I got you, baby. Look at yeah, iguana, man. What's that, iguana?
Yes, sir.
Hey, man. How old is it?
Year.
I got it, bro.
Boy.
I got you, boo. What it's looking like, y'all. right? With the turbocharged throughout the thing. Hey, what's up, Sam? Oh, how you doing?
Yeah, get out here, you know what I'm saying? We out here. Some more of it, but not enough of it, man.
Not enough of it.
Like, subscribe, comment, you feel me? Everything that got to do with YouTube shit, y'all tap in with my nigga, man. He a real one.
Appreciate you, little one.
He outside, man, in a real way.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Hey, man, give me a 2-piece. Tap on it. Sunday Funday, man, we outside. Man, everybody just outside, man, just doing it, man, on a Sunday, man. This what we do, man. We come out here and enjoy ourselves, bro. To the fullest. Enjoy ourselves.
I'm gonna get that ass today.
Look at that dude. Hey, I know they finna cloudy today. Watch out. That's why you don't stop. What's up, Diablo? She hopping. Moving around, y'all. Trying to catch footage here and there. little one?
You good?
Got the dog in there.
What is that dog for? That dog, you what?
Yeah, you like it?
I don't like dogs.
You don't like dogs?
Why you on that
What's
one?
up?
Everybody loves a story. It is what it life is what it is.
Yeah.
Oh, they about to have problems on the phone.
Where he went down there? Go back here. Moss Blade. See, I be trying to get other cars right here.
What's up, T-Bone?
What's up, little one? How y'all doing, man? All right. Can't catch everything. Can't catch everything. I ain't got my wheel on here. Nothing, man. It's better for me to hold this camera in this where I can keep the video straight than to hold that little small camera. Y'all know I done drove all around here. So y'all see what's out here. You the champ. You the champ. Hey, hey, I was coming down there. I see you pull up with them two cars. Where you go?
I'm waiting for whoever. It's ready.
Hey, what different city you came from? Where you came from? What
I
took
started off
first?
in Frisco, Missouri. Now I'm here ready to kick somebody's ass.
Went way to Frisco?
Frisco won first place.
Broke them off, huh? Saw how LA do it, huh? Appreciate y'all. up, man?
You gotta hit me up.
What's your handle? What you do? Where to find you at?
Man, Mac Missile, or you can find me at YouTube, Cushion Coffee. I'm out here filming with the rest of y'all. You know what I mean? Just enjoying this Sunday fun day. And I got a morning show on Instagram. Mac Missile, MACMIZEL. Follow me. And, tune in, man. We be talking about all kind of shit. And we do giveaways. And we got the merch coming. The Cushion Coffee weed tray. That's up.
Yeah, I'm enjoying that lowrider scene, bro.
Now I gotta get you.
Hey.
Yeah, now I gotta get you.
Yeah, man. I'm out here with my boy, Cushion Coffee. I'm TB. Y'all know. I'm enjoying that lowrider scene. Also, lowrider scene approved. This what I do. I'm outside, Sunday fun day. I come out here and support the lowriders and show